What's that? It's not fall anymore, you say? Actually, it is. The 21st is the first day of winter. I know. We all hate it here.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
But don't worry. Sit back, relax. Grab a hot mug of cocoa mocha frappuccinolina. Get ready to learn some Christmas crafts and things that you can make on a whim for your entire family.
I've gone a little insane since I met you that day.
You're gonna love this. Our first craft is caffeinated coffee scrub. So you can stay caffeinated on the inside and on the out and deal with all your relatives in the bliss of the caffeinated smell on your skin. It's wonderful, and it's gonna be flavored. So you don't have to waste that weird flavored coffee that Aunt got you that you're really never gonna use because honestly it smells amazing, but it tastes like shit.
Up on the housetop, reindeer paws. Out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys. All for the little ones' Christmas joys. Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Ho, 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 who wouldn't go? Up on the housetop, click, click, click. Down through the chimney with bits and click. Up on the housetop, reindeer paws. Out jumps good old Santa Claus. Down through the chimney with lots of toys. All for the little ones' Christmas toys.
Next up, we're making candles. Oh yeah, this one has a lot more materials, and if you're not willing to commit, then don't even watch this part. You're gonna need to buy some candle wax, and I recommend soy because the other kinds of candle wax aren't as healthy for you. You could inhale some carcinogens, so it's just better to be on the safer side. You can also go with beeswax, but that is pricier, and the essential oils that you put in to scent it won't be as strong.
To start off, you'll need to get a pot, fill it with water, and then find a bowl that fits nicely inside. And that's where you're going to place your wax. And for me particularly, I decided to go with the soy wax because it just seemed like a better option and it was cheaper. Continue mixing your wax until it's completely melted, and then you'll want to take it off the heat to cool. This is done so the essential oils you add can retain their smell even after the candle has solidified. I chose to go with bergamot, sweet orange, and cinnamon for a spicy but also Christmassy scent. I recommend sniffing this continuously to make sure you're getting the scent that you want. You can also pick out a variety of different things to add to your candle once it's ready to be poured into its jar. Make sure to hold the stem up as you go, as when you're pouring in the hot wax, it will melt the wax that's holding it up, so you'll need to place something around it to make sure that it doesn't fall over as the candle is hardening. You can add items to your candle at various stages of the hardening process. So if you'd like them at the very bottom, you can add them immediately, or you can continue to add them as your candle dries. Make sure you fill any holes that have sunken in the top and cut off the wick. I decided to add a personal touch and personalize the matchboxes.
This next craft is going to take you outside on a wonderful journey into the woodland. So while you're taking a romantic walk with your significant other, you can gracefully pick up a branch or two on the way. Pick up some pine cones, why not? Don't worry if your significant other stares at you and wonders why the hell you're doing that. It's going to be worth it. You're going to make a lovely wall decor hanging piece of woodland. It's going to be great. Trust me.
For this project, I found a long branch that I was able to attach these cords to, and I later glue gunned some items from the woodland to it to make it have this outdoorsy feel.
I thought I'd just use what I have on hand, which is some of this copper wire stuff. Just wrapping this around nice and slowly.
What you bring to me, tell me if you can. When the clock is striking 12, when I'm fast asleep.
Lastly, we'll be making an array of beautiful different kinds of tree decor. Anything you can imagine. Come on, just buy some balls. Just buy a pack of balls. Any size, really. Any size will do. So buy your balls and buy some glitter. Then you're gonna wanna cover your balls in your glitter. Then you're gonna wanna attach something. And then we'll hang it on a tree and it'll be beautiful. It's not sexual, no. No.
Because ornaments appeared to be so pricey in the stores, really anywhere you went, they were so expensive. I hit the dollar store.
Got way too much stuff again.
It is another day of me getting way too much stuff in a store. But it was the dollar store, so it was very cheap.
Thank you all for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed these crafts, and if you want to see more crafts, please let me know. I love making crafts. Like, seriously, I'm obsessed. I've made way too many things over and over again. It's an obsession. I need help. Please call 911. Otherwise, you can leave that in the comments section, you know, ways to help a craft addict. That would be super helpful. If you want to see other crafts, please leave that in the comments too. And I will definitely do them because I'm obsessed. Obsessed. Okay, bye!